Unraveling, That's a Moot Point, a guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language. That's a moot point. You might have heard it in conversations, debates, or even in movies and wondered what it means. This video will break down the phrase, its origins, and how you can use it effectively in your own conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, "that's a moot point," refers to something that is debatable or doubtful. However, it's commonly used in contexts where the point being discussed is considered irrelevant or academic in the situation at hand. This means that, even though there could be a discussion about it, the outcome of that discussion doesn't really matter in the practical sense. To fully appreciate the phrase, it's important to know where it comes from. The word, moot, originates from an Old English word that means a meeting, or assembly, where issues were discussed and debated. Over time, moot evolved to describe a hypothetical case argued by law students for practice. Therefore, a moot point was originally a point that was open for debate with no direct bearing on the actual case at hand. Using "that's a moot point" correctly can help you sound more native and nuanced in your English conversations. Here are a few tips. Use it to redirect a discussion that's veering into irrelevant territory. Apply it in debates to acknowledge a valid point but argue that it's not pertinent to the main issue. Be mindful of the tone. Saying something is a moot point can sometimes dismiss someone's opinion, so use it diplomatically. Let's look at some examples to see how "that's a moot point" can be used in sentences. Whether he arrived late because of traffic is a moot point. The fact is, he missed the meeting. Discussing who would have won if the match hadn't been rained out is a moot point now. She argued that the distinction was a moot point, as both options would lead to the same outcome. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "that's a moot point." We hope this video has clarified its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your own English communications. Remember, the beauty of language learning is in understanding the nuances that make your conversations richer and more accurate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.